बस सगळ्यात बाहेर जाता.
I'll mute everyone.
I think everybody is in.
ते दाखवतोय आम्हाला.
I'll mute everyone.
ते दाखवतोय म्हटलं आम्ही कुठे काय नाही.
Okay, I have muted everyone. Okay, so I think it's already late. I think we should cover up the things and we should start. Okay, guys. So first of all, welcome to the day number 3 of the three days workshop. And I am really sorry for this like inconvenience with this fault. Actually, suddenly like 5 minutes ago or 10 minutes ago, my system got updated, and I was like, man, what are you doing? I have to do that like workshop, and you're doing this. That's not good. Just let me in him. So very sorry to all the people. It was not intentionally, but suddenly it got happened. Okay. So guys, it is the day number 3, and I want all of you, like most of you, whoever can switch on their camera, or like basically because the things I'm going to share today, it would be one-to-one, and today I want to talk to you people. So if you can just share your screen, that would be wonderful for me. Guys is about to come. Hi Kushabia, how are you doing?
I'm great, man. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so I think it's already we are going on the lead. So let me share my screen and we will start. Okay, sorry, stop sharing. I was supposed to share another window. Hope everybody can see my screen, and like my video and audio is proper. Can somebody comment in the chat box like if everything is proper or not? Okay, Fatima, thank you, Fatima. Is the video and audio and the screen all proper so that we can proceed further? Okay, okay. Thank you, Pritam. Okay, perfectly. Okay, thank you so much, guys. So let's continue, guys. Okay. So welcome to the 3 days insane free workshop. This is the day number 3 we are doing. From the 2 days, like it has been a kind of game changer workshop for me, because even I learned so many things. This was the very first workshop for me. So it was kind of, I was very nervous. I do it with one-to-one and with my team, but like, handling 35 people, uh, there was a doubt whether I would be able to cover all the things or not. So it went something like awesome, and I believe like most of you have got some, you have refreshed your mind and you have got some gold nuggets out of this workshop. Okay, the motto of this workshop is how do you set up a profitable online business with an only organic strategies. Okay, so we'll cover some of the basic things. First of all, the mistakes people do when starting a business. I have already mentioned these are the 6 points. Then the 3 days plan. So today we'll be talking about the traffic, lead generation, offer creation, conversion, and closing. You have set up your mind. You have figured out your niche. You have found, okay, this is the particular product. This is the income skill I have. You have optimized your profile. Now, if the customer does not come to your shop, how would your product be get sold? How would your service be get sold? So this is what we're going to talk about, the very first thing. Then when they come to your place, you must have a kind of offer with you so that they cannot say no. Okay. Then how are you going to, how you are going to have conversation with them and how you are going to close them. So that's like we'll be talking today. Okay. But before that, today we'll be announcing the prize as well, the winner as well. And the winner is going to get a 90 minutes Zoom call with me and one custom book of Russell Brunson. Okay. So traffic, lead generation, offer creation, conversion, and closing. The end goal of it, as I already mentioned, you will be learning about how to generate leads and that would be quality leads, not the junk leads. How to make an irresistible offer, and how to close your sales effectively, and how do you conversate with them, right? So traffic, like I have heard from most of the people, they say, Rahul, I have a problem of traffic. Like I have done all the things, I have set up my mindset, I have done the niche selection, I have optimized my profile, all the things I have done, but I'm unable to create an traffic for my product, for my service. So is that the same thing happening with you as well? Like if you can, Kushal is entering. Okay. So if you can tell me in the chat box whether the traffic is also your problem or not. Like, are you facing a problem with traffic? You're not getting traffic, or you're trying to create a kind of traffic. So if that is again, like if that is same happening with you, you can comment and we can know. Okay. Does not get potential leads. Okay, I understand. I'll tell you the strategies. Okay. So what if I tell you a kind of secret? Like, let me share your secret and you'll be like, die laughing. Facebook has 1.8 billion. Two people are waiting in the enter room. Admit them. Okay. So Facebook has 1.8 billion active users daily and 2.8 billion active users monthly. Do you still think that we have a problem of traffic? We'll talk about the quality traffic later. So whoever mic is on can please unmute him or her. So do you still think like you have problem of traffic? You have 1.8 billion active users on daily basis. That's like completely fine that we are not going to sell everybody. But if you just sell 0.111% of that 1.8 billion active users daily, do you still think you have problem of traffic? Actually, no. The reason is that the main thing is traffic is already there. As Russell Benson says in the OFA, he has mentioned this thing. Traffic is already there. It is like a floating water. Okay, the river is floating. All you have to do, you have to jump into that water. You have to jump into the river, and you have to, turn that water into your side. You have to basically convert that traffic. You have to bring that traffic into your side. Traffic is already there. You don't need to create any kind of traffic again. Traffic is there. All you have to do is just go in front of them, create a presence in front of them, and build your authority. Once you build your authority, once they start noticing you, once they see, okay, there's a kind of guy, Rahul, he exists in the market, he exists in this place, they will be start noticing you, they will come to your profile, and from there they might become your traffic. Understand? Actually, it happened with me. I'll give you the example as well. So what happened with me, like as I said, all you have to do is create a presence. Okay. So like 2 weeks before, we had a Doug Boughton challenge. Like most of you have known, I promoted that much and I won the third prize even. So what was the thing? In that particular group, we had 6.5K members. Now this amount is still huge. Okay, I'm not going to talk about the very much amount, but still 6.5K members are very huge. And who's controlling them? A guy who is already on the very superior level. Now, like this is a kind of dream 100 concept, that if you target your dream 100 audience, like there will be a very high chances that you can easily grab some leads out of that. So what I did in the 5 days challenge, I created my whole presence there. Like whatever the Doug was saying, I started doing all the things. I started putting contribution in the groups. I made personal notes. Most of you have got even. I made notes on like paper with paper and pen. I put my efforts there. I shared them notes there. I contributed the community as much as I could. And that was the reason people started noticing me. Okay, there's a kind of guy whose name is Rahul. Let's try to connect with him. And then what happened? On the day 1, on the day 2, on the day 3, there was a kind of leaderboard, and I was on the top 1%. Like I was on the top for these entire 3 days. Now there was a kind of psychology in the people's mind. Man, Rahul is on number 1 on the day 1. Then he's on the number 1 on the day 2. Then he's on the day number 3 on the number 1 again. Man, what he's doing? Like let's try to connect with this particular guy. Okay, I didn't put the screenshots here, otherwise I could have shown you. I actually got leads from that particular group. What all I did, I just created my presence there. I just built an authority. Okay, like I'm ready to support, I'm ready to contribute, I have something, and people started connecting with me. That's how I got leads. Okay, that is the leading part basically, but still, that's how you can create a presence. Okay. Then what kind of traffic you want for your business? Make this thing very clear in your mind. Just a minute, guys. So make this thing very clear in your mind that what kind of traffic you are going to focus on: cold, warm, or hot. Cold is something which people are like, they are completely unaware about your product, your services, or if you say, if you say that I teach affiliate marketing, I teach organic lead generation, I have I have something regarding health industry. But if they are totally unaware about your product, your services, and this particular term affiliate marketing, or kind of these terms keyword, so first, what you will have to do, you have to completely you will have to educate them that okay, this is the entire thing. Some the things goes well in this manner. Then with the affiliate marketing, we can make money, and by promoting offers. Warm audience is something they already like have bit idea that okay, affiliate marketing is this kind of term, but they have no idea how to make money with that, how to actually promote the products. Okay, and hot is something they're completely aware about, even you also, about the entire industry. Like if you say to a person who's using GrooveFunnels, okay, if you say okay, GrooveFunnel is giving you a good advantage, but would you like to use ClickFunnel? Now you don't need to educate him, that you need to educate him, but still he will have idea. Okay, GrooveFunnel is made for funnel designing. So ClickFunnels, he must have idea about that as well. So you have to decide what kind of audience you are, what kind of traffic you are going to focus. For myself, like I don't focus on cold audience, because it is like first I'll have to put my so much time to just to educate them. Then whether they convert or not, that's there's no guarantee. So what I do, I focus on the warm audience. Warm audience comes to me, they get the information, we share the screen, and then I nurture them, then I make a sale. Okay, and how you can define what kind of audience you would be having? Simply, it is like, see, you have to find your dream customer avatar. I'll make a separate video. It is left. I'll make a separate video and share in the messenger. But you have to decide, okay, this is the particular kind of dream customer I have to serve. This dream customer can be anything. It can be like Rahul 2020, who knew about affiliate marketing but is struggling in that particular field. So if somebody comes to me at that particular time and says, okay, Rahul, I'm going to handhold you, I'm going to teach you all the things, like the basics, but how to do it properly, I'm going to teach this thing. Okay, would I not be going with that person? Definitely I would be going with that person, because I know my problem. Okay, but if I would be at cold place, he would be teaching me everything, what is affiliate marketing first, how to make money online. He would be showing me some of the income proofs, then income, like other results, then I could believe. So you have to decide what kind of traffic you are going to focus on, right? Traffic is there, as I mentioned, but all you have to do is you have to create a presence over there, and you have to basically build an authority, so that when they come to you, you start nurturing them and you can easily convert them, right? Traffic is there, but how to make it yours, how to generate leads. Now traffic part is covered. Now we will move on to the lead generation part. So there are some ways I personally follow that you can easily use in your business as well. Whatever business you are doing, these points are applicable to every kind of business. First is attraction marketing. So what is attraction marketing? See, there are two terms basically. First is prospecting, second is attraction marketing. In prospecting, what you do, you start networking with the people. Actually, networking is the wrong word. What you do, you choose a kind of group, or you choose a kind of celebrity or influencer. You see there are people, you start sending them friend requests. You send like 50, 40, 30 friend requests in daily basis. And you think like, okay, somewhere down the line, this person might be your customer. So that's called prospecting. Don't you think it is very tiring process and it is very time consuming process? Rather than we move on to the process, which is very which is a fun activity, which is going to create a kind of authority, which is kind of like people will come to you and they will say, okay, I want to know about your product and service. And if you are a kind of coach, if you are a coach and consulting, basically they can say, okay, I want you to be my mentor. So attraction marketing is the same term. In attraction marketing, all you have to do is create relevant content. Okay, relevant content means the content, like you have to decide the particular post or the particular content you are creating is directing to whom, is indicating to whom. Okay, once you define this and you start creating content on your profile, on the groups, or wherever your audience is hanging out, they see, okay, this kind of person is there, and some that's completely possible that they come to you, they see your results, they see your efforts, they come to you and they ask, Rahul, can you help me with this? Rahul, I would like to know about your product and services. So rather than going for prospecting, start focusing on the attraction marketing. Okay, attraction marketing can be done on using posts, using videos, using live, using stories. I personally follow all these 4 ways because all these 4 ways gives me good quality of leads. Second is join official groups. Now what most of the beginners does actually, so what they does, suppose you are into affiliate marketing. Okay, your niche is make money online, like your niche is wealth market and make money online. Now what the particular mistake people do, they start joining the groups which are related to affiliate marketing for beginners, okay, and make money online groups, or kind of these kind of groups, okay, which are not official groups. These are completely public groups, unlimited audiences there. They start joining, they think, okay, if I'll make the post there, if I'll put my link there, somewhere down the line person will come and buy my product. But do you really think it happens? Like, I have personally observed this. What I used to do, I created, suppose there's a group affiliate marketing USA kind of, so I created a kind of post over there. What happened is, in just 1 hour, okay, I had more than 60 comments over there, and all 90% comments were having a Telegram link. They were promoting their offers. Now see, do you really think your product is going to be purchased by someone? So better if you join official groups rather than going for these kind of public or just these kind of where massive audiences there. It is not going to work, definitely. Okay, take my words. Official groups are like ClickFunnels Official, GrooveFunnels Official, or Affiliate Marketing Official if you find kind of. So always most of the companies have official group, or most of the influencers have official groups. So start joining them rather than going for the public groups. Okay, you're not going to promote your product. Remember, all you are going to do is contribute to the group so that you can create a presence over there and you can start generating leads from there. You have all the business on your profile. All you have to do, as I mentioned, you have to turn the river in your side. So you have to from that particular group, you have to bring them into your profile. Once they become your profile member, they will be getting you'll be getting noticed, definitely. Like, they will be nurtured by your lives, by your videos, by your posts, by your stories. They will be, definitely. Number 3, one of the great point, commenting strategy. Okay, so commenting strategy is something like okay, let me show you. Let me so number 3 point and number 5 point. Okay, number 3 point and number 5 point I'm going to cover in one go. Let me just stop sharing my screen and let me share you one more screen, guys, so that you can get idea what I'm trying to say actually. Okay, so number 5 point was basically search keyword in the group. Okay, so see, this is my Facebook profile. All I'm going to do, suppose let's take an example of ClickFunnels group. Okay, it is loading, don't worry. Is my screen visible? I didn't ask you. Yeah, spammers will come. Is my screen visible? Like all of you can see this ClickFunnels group? Okay, yeah, thank you, Shalini. So once you go to, just a minute, guys. let me, yeah. So once you go to an official group, all you have to do, go to this search bar, okay, and type the keyword of your niche. Suppose if I am a technical guy, okay, what I will do, I will take the, let's say, domain. Let's like supposingly, okay, domain. Now, whoever has mentioned this word domain in this ClickFunnels group will show me, will start showing me. And you can do one more thing, like most recent, you can done this. So you will get the filter results. Okay. Now just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Now you have to find here question asked by the people. Okay, your niche can be anything. I'm just giving you the just an example. Just let me admit her. So I'm just giving you an example. Once you put the keyword there, okay, people ask, like in ClickFunnels group, people ask different kind of question regarding domain. So all you have to do, you have to find a question. Okay, suppose, okay, this kind of, hello guys, we just added a website to ClickFunnels. The issue we are facing several times is that domain names, especially with the www dot or without this. So if you think, if you are understanding the question, if you are thinking, okay, I can help this person, you are not going to sell anything. Remember, all you are going to do is helping people. Okay, so all you have to do, first you have searched, now you have to understand the question, go to the comment box, just hey, sorry, hey, @ and you first you have to tag the person, SOUFI, whatever the name is, I am not able to pronounce. Okay, suppose let's take this one. Suppose if this is the name, okay, then you have to write a proper comment here. Proper comment that is resolving the issue. Okay, once you do it, understand this thing very clearly. Your comment is not only for that particular person who's asking the question. Your comment is also for the person who are going to see this particular question. If they are also facing this particular question, they will definitely look into the comments. And if they find your comment awesome or valuable or relatable, solving the issue, resolving the issue, they might contact you personally even. Okay, so this is one of the greatest strategy I follow. Let's say if you type something else, let's say affiliate marketing. Okay. Sorry, not here. You have to go to back first. Leave the page, stay on the page. Okay, yeah, leave the page. Okay, just a minute. Official. Let's go to group. Let's go to this group again. Is everybody getting what I'm trying to convey here? Exactly, I got sale from, yeah, Shoaib. That's completely like, this is one of the greatest strategies my mentor told me, and I'm sharing with all of you. So suppose if you search affiliate marketing, okay, and then here you can see you will definitely find one or two posts, or like maybe more than one or two posts that would be asking some question or seeking for the help. All you have to do is write a proper comment over there, tag that person, and boom. You never know, like as Shoaib mentioned, he got sale from this particular strategy. You never know who's seeing you, who's whether this your comment can help or not. If that comment help, this person can might contact you, and boom, like if you nurture him properly, you can easily get sale. The main thing is you are getting lead, and that's one of the greatest strategy that you can apply, right? So you can do it with any kind of niche. I just give you example of domain. If you type SMTP, it will also work. SMTP, because I tried doing this. Most recent you can do. Suppose Suraj asked ClickFunnels SMTP integration without custom domain. Is that possible? If you think, okay, it is possible, give him a proper answer. Yes, bro, it is possible. Simply you are helping that person. All he needs is your help, right? So I have a funnel of my ebooks. So like this kind of thing you can try. Let's move on to the PPT again. Yes, absolutely great idea. Yeah, Divya. So like this is kind of strategy I follow for my things. Okay. And also remember one thing, like just a minute. Hmm. So when you're doing commenting strategy, okay, always remember, try to have an open loop question there. Suppose first you tag that person, you have provided the value. Okay, this is the answer of your question. Now, what is the thing? You're going to put a kind of open loop question. Okay, like, hey brother, is that something you were looking for? Hey brother, do you need more help, or do you need more help? Something kind of like open loop question, so that you get reply back. Okay, definitely if that person is genuinely needed and he has put the question not for getting the leads, he has put a genuine question, so he will definitely looking for the answer who has given me the right answer. So he will definitely look in your answer. Okay, this is the particular answer I have got, and he will definitely reply, thank you brother, thank you so much, how can I pay you, not how can I pay you back, that's completely different, but he will definitely reply you back. From there, what you can do, you can simply send him the friend request. You can conversate more after, like after 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours. You can ask whether like is your problem resolved or not. From here, you can start conversing conversation, and you can pitch him your product as well. Okay. Then blue ocean strategy. Okay, it is one of the greatest strategy again. What most of the people do, they like, there are two kind of ocean: red ocean, blue ocean. Red ocean is something which is let's take a kind of pond which is flooded with completely blood. Okay, it is like there are already so many giant sharks that are looking for the leads, and like they are so much professional to you that than you. Okay, and like they are highly active that on that particular place. Okay, so it is like, suppose if you join ClickFunnels group, you see there are more than 263 kind of people. Okay, it's like more than, it's going to be 500,000. Okay, so you see, so when somebody asks the question, there are so many people following the comment strategy and these all the things. What they do, they start promoting, like they start helping the same way you are going to help. Okay, so what you can do, like instead of doing this, instead of joining the free groups, you can follow the blue ocean strategy. It means you can start joining the paid groups. Paid group is something you can, like if you have investment, you can just simply do some minor investment, and you can join some top groups according to your niche. So what is going to happen there, not everybody have the access. Understand one thing, this thing first. Okay, not everybody have the access. If you create presence over there, you can easily get the leads. Second thing is, people those who are joining the paid groups, they have a mindset, okay, I have joined this group by investing something. So definitely you are not like, if you pitch your offer there, not there, if you pitch your offer to that particular person, he cannot say, okay, I don't have money, okay, I'm a freebie seeker, or I'm just looking for the free help. Like if you're trying to, if you're getting my all the points, it means basically you are going to joining the paid groups which is controlled by the person, and you are providing the value. Person is coming to you, he have a mindset, okay, I have invested, now if I want this particular service, I will invest again. So that's how you can easily get leads. Also, you can easily convert him into sale, right? Then search keyword in your group search bar, that I mentioned just now. So we have covered about lead generation and traffic, the traffic thing. So till now, if you're finding it good enough, running out of time, after 10 minutes, it will be stopped. You will have to join it again. Okay. So if you're finding it enjoying, or if you're getting some, good idea out of this, you can tell me, so that I can proceed further. Like these ideas, seriously, like uh, I got from a mentor, I paid there, then I'm sharing it with all of you. Now you don't need to pay again. All you have to do, you have to implement them according to your perfection, according to your, like, I want to focus on the commenting strategy, I want to join official groups, search keyword, whatever you prefer. Thank you. Okay, so perfectly fine. Now we will move on to the offer creation and offer hacking part. You have got leads. Okay, so you have got leads. Now it is time they will come to you. You will start conversating with them. You must have kind of offer with yourself so that when they come to your place, they cannot say, okay, you just have only product and I'm not going to buy the product. Because might be possible you are at the beginner stage and there are already some people, those who are doing better than you. That might be possible. Okay, but if you have kind of irresistible offer, okay, they're definitely gonna say, okay, this is something like you are giving me more than the product charges. If your product is $100 and you are giving an offer of, let's say, $1,000, $2,000, I don't think people can say no, because you are over delivering, you are increasing the perceived value of your product, and that's completely awesome thing. Stop selling your product, start selling your offer. What most of the people do, they just put their off product, okay, this is my product, and you, when you will buy this is the transformational end goal you will be getting. Instead of that, what you have to do, keep your product aside, start selling your offer. Like, along with this particular product, I'll be giving these all the things. Understand? So they cannot say no. Offer is what is an offer? It is a core product plus value addition. Core product is, let's say, one funnel away challenge, and value addition is like with the OFA itself, what Russell Brunson gives us. He gives us a 30-day summit. He gives us a boot camp. He gives us a group support, the private like private group, accessibility group, and he gives us kind of one pager support assignments. He gives us implementation calls on daily basis so that we can come and we can ask our questions. So it is something like with the core product, he is delivering so much value. The same way you have to do ClickFunnels. When you buy ClickFunnels, you get FlexiFunnels. Sorry, not FlexiFunnels. You get FunnelFlix as well. You get some of the ready-made templates and etc. things. Like, you get more than the amount you are paying. Okay. Now, what is an offer? So offer is not equal to the product. If you sell only product, then people will think about, like, just a minute. Okay, think about the price and go for the comparison. Then you lose the sale. How it happens? Suppose you have a kind of your own store and there's a store of Amazon. You're selling a kind of health supplement which is costing, which is the price are $67. Okay, on the same way, like on the same deal, they are getting at just $19.95, let's say $20 on Amazon. Now, if you are at their place, or if I am at their place, what do you think? From where they would be purchasing? Would they be purchasing from your side or from the Amazon? Let me tell me in the comments, what do you think? If you are at this place at like 67 and 99, sorry, 19.95, from where you would be purchasing, from Amazon or from other store? Please tell me in the comments so that, like, we get, it does not become the one-to-one, it does not become only one-way session. So definitely, like, it would be like people will compare the things and they will go to the Amazon, right? But suppose if you add value there, if you say, okay, along with my $67 product, I'll be giving you a calorie tracker. It will be a kind of software. You can install this in your mobile, and on a daily basis, it will tell you how's your health going and all this thing, right? I'll give you one particular guide, which is costing, like, let's say, $99 or $97. You can price according to your offer. So it will be a weight loss guide. Again, Amazon is not giving this thing. Amazon is giving only product. You are giving this much as well. And I'll give you one accountability group. What people want is, if they buy kind of product, all they want is, I want somebody to handhold me to do the particular, to achieve the end goal that product is delivering to me. So you are giving them an accountability group. This is again an awesome thing. So you have to add some value so that you can increase the perceived value of the product, right? How to create your offer? So find out the customer objection. How you are going to find out? You have to actually look down into your previous thing. If I am selling OFA, if I am not selling OFA, just the product. If I am teaching affiliate marketing, my audience is like, who are the struggling affiliate marketers? Okay, like they are the people, they are the like Rahul 2020 who was struggling at that time. So what kind of objection Rahul had? I have to keep this thing in my mind. The same way you have to create your offer. Your objection might be, can be like, it can be vary to vary. For me, it is different. You have to actually look down into yourself and find, okay, what Rahul was wanting these particular things. So try to offer that particular things. Okay. And there are like internal false belief and external false belief, whether that particular guy who's going to buy your product, he would have, okay, like, would I be able to achieve the end goal? Okay. And the external belief, would this particular product or would this particular offer be able to help me to my end goal? So you have to actually create your offer in such a way so that you will easily tackle these both of the questions. Okay. And then you can do one more thing. You can do offer hacking. What is offer hacking? You can, in your market, in your niche area, in your industry, you can see the top people, what kind of offer they have. It is not like you're copying, it is like you are modeling their offer, and you are like, okay, this person is putting this particular kind of thing, let me try this thing in my way as well. Okay, so that's way you can easily do offer hacking. All you have to do is modeling them. If you think, okay, this is good for me, bring them into your offer. Nothing is bad, right? Create a offer stack. What you can else put, like you can give a one-to-one call when you are starting out. Okay, you can give them a kind of short courses, video lessons or tutorials, result oriented. Obviously, you can give them some of the software tools if you have any. Okay, you can give them some of the DFY services like funnels. You can give them, like it is, I'm going to give you a ready-made funnel. All you have to do is just copy into your funnel and you can start selling. You can start promoting your product. Email swipe files, you can give ad copy templates, access to a community. I will be giving you a community where we have a good team, and whatever the problem you face, you can ask your question and like we can discuss. So the same way you can easily create an offer. Don't worry, I'll showing you my offer as well later. Okay. So till now here we have completed two things, and within 2 minutes this live session would be ended. Okay. So till now, have you got something apart from, like, have you got something extraordinary that you have not known before? Or if it might be like you have known them before but you have not implemented. So if something is like this, you can like easily comment in the chat, so that offer creation. Okay, yeah, that's actually, everybody is selling product. You have to sell the offer so that you can be the unique. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. Now it is like conversation and closing. You have done all the things. This is the very last part. Conversation is person is coming to your messenger, how you are going to conversate with that. Closing is how you're going to close the deal. Suppose there's a guy who's on the A position and you're on the B position, right? This A guy is like having a problem. He's confused. He's looking for the solution. On the other hand, you are a kind of person who has who has clarity and who has a product, who has solution actually. Okay. Now all you have to do, you have to create a kind of bridge between you and him. You can also get this idea from copywriting and .com secret book. I got this idea from .com and like copywriting. So it is one of the great things. Okay. So you have to basically create a kind of gap, okay, to bring him from place A to place B. How you are going to conversate? Don't just chat. First, pre-qualify your customer by asking some questions. It means what most of the people do. Hey, I want to know about this thing. And then what they do? Okay, they start talking, they start chatting in the messenger, and they keep chatting. Okay, like it's been 30 minutes, 45 minutes, they start chatting, they keep chatting. Don't you think you are wasting your time and his time as